Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make Hobakjuk, which is pumpkin soup. Let's get started. Happy Halloween, guys! Today we are making a Halloween special with a Korean pumpkin porridge called Hobakjuk. First, we need 1 Korean pumpkin or hobak. Microwave your pumpkin for 8 to 10 minutes. While your pumpkin's microwaving, we are going to make mochi balls. Get a large bowl and fill it with 100 grams of glutinous rice flour. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of hot water. Mix well. Adding water little by little until you are able to make a doughy texture similar to your earlobe. Hobak means pumpkin and juk means porridge, so hobakjuk means pumpkin porridge. When the dough is ready, tear off small pieces and roll them into balls, a little smaller than the size of a ping pong balls. Koreans usually eat juk when they are sick. It's Korea's version of chicken noodle soup. When your pumpkin is out of the microwave, cut it into quarters. Spoon out all the seeds, but don't throw them out, and skin the slices. Hobakjuk is wonderful for your body. It's said to promote cell generation, protect eyesight, treat constipation, and help weight management. It's also said to increase body temperature and strengthen your immune system. So make sure to eat lots of hobakjuk during the fall, before flu season. Put them to the side and get 1 dry date. Slice open the date to remove the pit and roll the date into a spiral. Then, just like in our yakbab episode, slice the spiral into thin slices and set to the side. You can also add black or red beans. Fill a large pot with water and add all of your pumpkin seeds. Bring the seeds to a rapid boil. Then, shut the heat and let the pumpkin water cool down. While the pumpkin water is cooling down, we are going to steam our pumpkin slices. Using a standard steamer, set your heat to medium-high and steam the pumpkin slices until you can easily poke them with a chopstick or fork. Then place your soft pumpkin in a blender and blend until smooth. In Korea, hospitals usually serve hobakjuk after medical procedures because it's very easy to digest. It's also great for detoxing the body, so a lot of Korean women eat hobakjuk after giving birth. Hobakjuk is a popular snack in Korea. You can even buy microwavable hobakjuk at most convenience stores. I made hobakjuk for a Kwon's Corner Halloween special, but Koreans don't really celebrate Halloween. Halloween started in Korea as a party holiday for young adults to go clubbing. Get a large saucepan and pour in your pumpkin puree. Set the pan to medium-high, then taking a strainer, add all of your pumpkin water while keeping out the seeds and mush. Make sure to get all the pumpkin water, otherwise your hobakjuk will explode. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar as a baseline. Hobakjuk is usually pretty sweet, so adjust the sugar and salt until it fits your taste. Since I don't like sweet, I didn't add more sugar than this, but my friends added a few more spoons to their bowls. Dump in your mochi balls and let the hobakjuk simmer until the mochi float to the top. You can add more water if the hobakjuk is too thick, or more glutinous rice flour if the hobakjuk is too thin. You want the texture to be like a thick creamy gravy. Normally at this point, we would pour the hobakjuk into a bowl and call it a day. But since it's Halloween, we're going to be extra festive. Cut off the top of another hobak, Korean pumpkin, and scoop out the insides. You can save the pumpkin seeds to roast later. You can even use them in my 멸치볶음 recipe. You can watch here. Pour in your hobakjuk, place your mochi on top, and decorate with date slices and pine nuts. Decorate your hobakjuk however you like. Sprinkle the mochi, date slices, and pine nuts around the bowl. Make little flowers with the pine nuts, or get a little festive with it. I made a scary pumpkin monster. So spooky. Our Hobakjuk is all ready to eat.
I got it! Oh shit. Give me. Oh. Oh. Mmm!
It tastes so good. Since I didn't put a lot of sugar, it's not that sweet because I don't really like sweet. But if you like sweet stuff, you should add more sugar in it. This mochi is really chewy and it has really a lot of pumpkin flavor in it, and I like it so much. Instead of using water, I boiled the inside of the pumpkin, which made the flavor of the pumpkin really intense. So you should definitely try. So see you next week. 안녕! If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and press like button. If you wanna see more video, it's over here and over here. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I will make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!